Ni moshari imwe bururi-ini wa Singapore kuria mwiri wa uria wari president wa Zimbabwe Robert Gabriel Mugabe wigitwo. Mugabe uria ukuite thutha wa ndwari arathaitagirwo thibitari no yetagwo Glen Eagles iria i bururi wa Singapore.
There will never be a regime change here. There will always be the people of Zimbabwe in control.
President Uhuru Kenyatta ni athanite federa ciothe ciarirukio nuthu muringoti ni undu wa gitio kiria Kenya irahete Mugabe kuria mugathiriire akiuga egutura aririkanagwo ta mutongoria uria warwagira ihoto cia andu ake no uria wateithiriria Africa kwamba mitaratara ya uthii wa nambere ndeto iria ikiritwo mukonde ni munini wake William Ruto uria ugite ni arwiriire thayo wa gitaru giki.
It doesn't matter what Brown says or Mr. Bush says about us. The country is ours. The country belongs to the people of Zimbabwe. The Zimbabwe shall never be a colony again, we have said.
Igikuo kia Mugabe kihutitie bururi wa Zimbabwe na njira nene gukiririkanwo niwe wari mutongoria wa mbere wa bururi ucio thutha wa gwikiranira ngirimiti na nyakeru mwaka wa 1980 na kio utongoria wa bururi ucio na aratongoririe nginya miaka 2 mihituku.
I think President Mugabe was a leader.
This is sad news. We lost a good father.
I would obviously describe him as a revolutionary.
He was a good leader. He was a good leader.
He was an iconic, he was an African legend. His only mistake was that he overstayed in power.
Very sad, it's very sad for such a person like Mugabe to pass on.
And you can note that he was the most educated president in the world.
Kwa sisi Afrika kikaa kwa uongozi miaka mingi unakuwa ni kama dictator.
Gikuo kia Mugabe kia hinga ifuku ria president aria marari muoyo aria marwiriire wiyathi gitaru kia Africa undu uria president wa tene Mwai Kibaki augite Mugabe egutura aririkanagwo ta mutongoria uria wendete mundu muiru akorwo na wiyathi wake. Mwena wake Raila Odinga augite Mugabe arari mundu tori ungi na koguo rimwe na rimwe ni angirahitirie o toria mundu wina mwiri na thakame angihitia.
If they will not assist the inclusive government in rehabilitating our economy, could they please stop their filthy, clandestine, divisive antics?
President wa bururi ucio Emmerson Mnangagwa ona akenesha kaite Mugabe akiuga mutongoria ucio wa tene ni arerutĩire gukuria bururi ucio na ni egutura aririkanagwo miaka mingi egukorwo niwe wari mutongoria wa mbere wa bururi ucio.
95 years is a long time. In my culture, we say we celebrate, we don't say somebody died. So we are celebrating his life, his legacy. I hope it's a good legacy. He was a committed freedom fighter, revolutionary, not compromising.
Mugabe akuite na miaka 95 niwe wari prime minister wa mbere wa Zimbabwe na aratongoririe bururi ucio kuma mwaka wa 1980 nginya miaka 2 mithiru riria mbirarũ cia bururi ucio ciamurutire wathani-ini kia hinya. Fortera Inoro TV, yetagwo muitiriri wa Wangari.